Hey everyone out there, this is New York John. I just got a box in the mail, and it is from our friends at TNB Naturals. So let's see what's inside the box here. What do we have? A little bit of foam padding. All right, bubble wrap. A little bit of literature. Put that aside. Oh, what's this? Ah, the enricher. This is good stuff. We'll talk about this in a second. This is exactly what I was looking for. What else? Ah, yes, TNB's new pH Up product. Great. Great. And, yep, their down product. We'll check that out in a second here. Let's see what else. Oh, hey, everybody loves stickers. And, okay, so you guys might know TNB because they have this enhancer product. It's a little larger than this, and it's not two-dimensional, but it's a CO2 enrichment product. Basically, it's like a 2-liter bottle, and they give you this crystallized stuff, and you add water, and for the next 2 or so weeks, it releases a steady stream of CO2 into your garden space. This is really very handy, especially if you are growing in a tent. I can't think of a reason not to have this in your veg space. For all the wonders that CO2 does for photosynthesis, this is a must-have. And actually, right here on the product screen at their website, you see they give you little refill packets you could buy. So you keep the canister and you get the refill product, the enhancer TNB refills. Looks like they sent me some rolling papers. That's nice. A little bit of that going on right there. Okay, we'll get to that later too. And a lanyard. Who doesn't love a lanyard? Ooh, lots of rolling papers. Hey, thanks TNB. Let's talk about this for a second, because the reason they sent me this box is I was talking to the good folks down at TNB in a chat room watching the Grow Boss live on the weekends. Now, the Grow Boss promotes this product, especially this product, the enhancer. But I was asking him, hey, do you have any more enricher, because the local shop by me doesn't carry it. And he said, yeah, no problem, John, we'll send you some out. So what is the enricher? Well, the enricher is TNB's magnesium sulfur product. This is going to help you through all phases of growing, but this is going to be crucial once you get into flowering. Sulfur is crucial for sweetening. Magnesium is crucial for photosynthesis. This is what you need. This is very soluble. I love this product. I've used this product on my last 8 grows, and I've gone through a whole container now. So the enricher is there for your mag sulfur. It's basically like a sweetening product, but let me show you something. A lot of mag products have nitrogen. 000, guaranteed analysis. No nitrogen. So this isn't going to add that nitrogen at the end of your flowering regimen when you don't want to have that extra nitrogen. This is going to keep it real clean, just magnesium and sulfur. It's exactly what you need to finish big and to finish dank. Check out their website, tnbnaturals.com.